Tired of leads slipping through the cracks? Let's get you mastering Kvcore call tasks so you never miss a chance to connect. First, log into your Kvcore account now. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen and find Marketing Autopilot. Hover your mouse over it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Call Tasks. This is where all your assigned and upcoming calls are managed. You'll now see your call tasks dashboard here. You can filter your tasks by due date, types of calls you need to do, or even by assigned agent. If you are part of a team, use these filters to prioritize who you need to contact. Click on any individual call task to view the lead or client's information. You'll see their name, phone number, and any notes you or your team members have added about previous interactions. This is key for personalizing your call. When you're ready to make the call, click the Start Call button. You can use the provided call script as a guide. Having a script ensures you cover all the important talking points. After your call, it's important to log the outcome. Use the disposition options, like left voicemail, connected, or not interested, to accurately reflect the conversation. Add any relevant notes about the call to help with future follow-ups. If you need to reschedule a call, simply click the Reschedule button and select a new date and time. This keeps your pipeline organized and ensures consistent follow-up. Finally, once you've completed all the necessary steps for a call task, click the Complete Task button. This removes it from your active list and keeps your dashboard clean. And that's it. You're now equipped to manage your call tasks like a pro, boost your communication, and convert more leads into happy clients. Happy calling.